Today we are going to learn how we can put figure, like 4 figures, correctly in LaTeX or Overleaf using TikZ. So first of all, we will write document class article. It's a blank article. So here we use package graphics because we are going to put figures, and then we are going to use TikZ, and here slash title. So I will write a title putting figures fix using TikZ. Okay, so this is small and this T is also small, so I will make date empty. I don't want to show the date, and begin document and slash make title. Okay, I want to make it bold. So here you can see this is the a blank document, and I want to put 4 figures here. For example, I want to put this logo. So first of all, what we will do, we will simply do begin figure and so if I give a figure and slash end figure. Okay, so this is what we do, and here we want to put this figure in one place. So we will do HTBP, and for this we use package float. Okay, so now I want to put it on the figure on the center. Okay, so now we are using TikZ. Begin TikZ picture. Okay, TikZ picture. Okay, so I will do end TikZ picture. Okay, so now look, it's working correctly. So here I use note. I will keep this empty for now. I will explain why I am using this. So then here, since I am putting 4 images, so begin tabular. No, it's TABULAR tabular and slash end tabular. Okay, I don't want to use the automatic code that it give me. So here we have 2 columns, so I will use CC, like 2 images. So then I will use include. Okay, include graphics. So I will write width width equals to, let's do 0.4 slash line width, and the image I am using my logo. Okay, so this is 1. So I will just copy paste this 4 times because it's going to stay the same. So here you can see now all these 4 are in one line, so I want to separate them. So how will I do that? I will put an add here and an end here, and I will put a double sign with 4 points, like 4 points spacing between them. So here is this. So now basically we are okay, so now I want to write a caption. So to write a caption, I will write here, so for images in 4 images, so on. So this is, so now if I want to put it in the box, this is the place where we can define our box. So for example, I will write draw thick, and inner space SEP equal to 6 pt. For example, the thickness is 6 point. So here you can see if I increase it, for example 10 points, then yeah, so it will be like the size of the box will be bigger. So 5 I think is good. So yeah, 5 is good. So yeah, this is the way how we can do it. Now if we want to put A, B, C, D on each of the figure, for example the first one is A, the second one is B. So how we can do that? To do this, here we need to use a package that is called sub caption. Okay, this is required, and here I will do, okay, let me write it for 1. I will do it for 1, and then I can copy it for others. So this box is going to stay the same. So what I will do, slash subcaption. Okay, so then I will write like this. Okay, so okay, I will not remove anything. Okay, this is, and now I will write subcaption box. Okay, slash subcaption box. So here it is. So this one, and I will copy this one for all of them. Okay, so here I put one, and here, here, and here, no, here and here. So if you see, now it show me A, B, C, D. So if I want to write here, for example, I want to write something. So here, if I want to write A is first, for example, so it will show A is first, so is second. Okay, and this is third, and this is fourth. So here, third and fourth. So this is the proper way of putting the figure, okay, inside in LaTeX. You can put it in your thesis or in document. If you want to remove the box, so you can just leave this box empty, and you have a clean way to put 4 figure together in LaTeX. So I hope you enjoy my video, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.